Hi, boys and girls. This is the solutions to the recall prior knowledge that you guys had to do on Monday. So for the first one here, and by the way, guys, when you guys add these numbers together to find the average, the smart thing to do is once you add them together, write down the answer and then add them together again. I know it takes an extra 13 seconds, but it's worth it because it's very easy to go ahead and just type in a wrong button someplace. So the first one, when I added them together, I came to 60. Since I have 5 values in the data set, I just do 60 divided by 5, and that's going to give me 12. For number 2 here, when I added them together, it gave me 258. So when I count the numbers here, I have 1, 2, 3, so I have 7 numbers. So I'm going to divide this 258 divided by 7, and that's going to give me 36 point. Now it gives me this. Now the directions say to round it to 2 decimal places. So I look at the second decimal place, that's a 5. The number next to it to the right is a 7, so that tells me that 7 has to become a 6. So the answer to number 2 is 36.86. All right, number 3, add them together. I'm going to get 269.4. So 269.4, and then we're going to divide that by 4. That's going to give us 67.35. So 67.35. Number 4, add those together. I'm going to get 23.77. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers there. So divided by 6 is going to give us 3.961, and then 6 repeating. So the second value after the decimal is a 6. The number to the right of that is a 1, so I'm going to round down, so it's going to be 3.96. And then the last one here, we have the height of 10 children. We are going to add them together, we get 562. And then if I divide this by 10, it just moves the decimal over 1 spot, so the answer to this would be 56.2. All right, so then from the second part, we had to find the median. Again, I've put all these numbers in order from least to greatest. So for the first one, there's 7 digits in the data set. So I just got to find the middle number. That's going to be 30. All right, notice there's 3 on each side. So, you got the middle. The next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So now, since there's an even amount of numbers, I have to find the middle 2 numbers. So the middle 2 numbers are going to be right here. So 125 and then 149.6. Those are the middle 2 numbers. So I take those, so 125 plus 149.6, and that's going to give us 274.6. I divide that by 2. Remember, I'm finding the average of the middle 2 numbers, and that's going to be 137.3. So this one's 30. The second one was 137.3. For this one right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm finding, so I have 12 digits. So I'm finding the 2 in the middle because that's an even number. So I'm going to eyeball it here. It looks like it's these 2. Both of them are 4s. Let's try that out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. So 4 and 4, if I find the average of that, is just 4. So the median of number 8 is 4. For number 9 here, looks like we have 9, maybe 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So again, let's just eyeball it and then test it. Looks like these 2 are the 2 in the middle. There's 3 on that side, 3 on that side. So now sometimes it's easier to see what the middle number is. So I'm looking for the number in between 1010 and 1011. And you could probably say, all right, that's 1010.5. It's 1010.5. Then of course you guys can just, you can double check it. So 1010 plus 1011 equals this, divided by 2 is going to be that. All right. So, and then the last one, we have 10 days. So let's look at the middle. I think it's going to be these 2 right here, 30.2 and 30.6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. So perfect. So I found the average of 30.2 and 30.6, and that's going to be 30.4. But let's just put it in here. 30.2 plus 30.6 is going to equal this divided by 2 gives us that 30.4. All right, so it'd be 30.4 degrees is the median temperature, the median daily low. If you have any questions, let me know.